So real quick before we jump into most of the lectures, we want to go over really quick just the basic tools and software that you're going to need in order to take this course. So firstly, you're going to need something that you can digitally paint in. We're going to be using Photoshop for this course, but you can use whatever you like. We're going to try and keep it simple enough that no matter what software you're using, as long as it has basic functions like layers and brushes, you should be covered. But to give you some examples, if you don't have Photoshop, you can use something like Krita, Corel Painter, Manga Studio Pro, Sketchbook Pro, or even Procreate for the iPad. You're also going to need some sort of hardware, something to actually physically draw with. So a tablet of some sort and a stylus. You could take this with a mouse, but I strongly don't recommend it. It would be extremely difficult and you'll probably get frustrated really quickly. Some examples of tablets, if you want to go on the expensive end, you could go all the way up to a Cintiq, but that's going to run you a couple $1,000s. If you're on a budget, you could try something like a bamboo tablet, which was my first tablet. It's less than $100 and it'll get you where you need to go. It doesn't allow you to draw on the screen. You'll have to draw on the tablet and then look up at your screen. But if you only have $100 to spare, that will work as well. You can do an Intuos or anywhere in between, or one of my personal favorites is the iPad Pro. It allows you to draw on the screen and it's a lot cheaper than getting a full Cintiq tablet. So as long as you have some sort of a stylus to work with, a tablet, and a software, you should be covered. So that's it for this lecture. I'll see you guys in the next one.